Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Did someone say put your hands in the air? Let's check this one out.
Care.
Let's check this one out. It's a 2026 Jayco Jay Feather Air, model number 18FBS. So let's get started. The length on this Jay Feather Air is 21 feet 4 inches. The dry weight is 3,860 pounds with a hitch weight of 454 with a GVWR of 4,995. What'd you say? Put your hands in the air?
Like you don't care. Y'all, this one is just super cute. This is one of those that if you've got a smaller tow vehicle or you want something that's easy to set up and just get out there and go, this is going to be a great one to come look at. We'll start up here and show you that this has got a power jack, and you're going to have 2 propane bottles on it. Spot right there for your batteries. Now this one does have a pass-through storage, and to be a small unit, I'm going to be honest guys, this is pretty good, and they do give you a light in there. It is going to be a single axle, so super easy to tow. You do actually have a slide on this one, and for those who are concerned, this is a small slide, so you're not going to have too much to worry about. You have a sewer caddy under there. Your spare is underneath. Dump area is going to be right back here at the back.
Tankless water heater.
Yes, it is. Now this is going to have manual stabilizers on it. Looking at the back, you do have a ladder already in place. It is prepped for a backup camera, and then you're going to have a receiver down here for an accessory rack, but not for towing. Looking over here on your campsite, the power awning is
12'8".
12'8". Actually going to give you pretty good coverage over here. Now, look at this, guys. Let me show you the other side. How cool is this? So you have a pull-out griddle, and then your quick connect is going to be right down there. Super duper convenient. I love this.
Yeah.
This is just Jayco being Jayco now. You are actually going to have an outside shower on this one right next to the door, which is nice. You can rinse your feet off if you're going to the beach like we're going to do next week. Can't wait. Yay! And then here's the other side of your pass-through storage. Do have a light and some power, and you actually have a light for your step, and that's where your switch for that is.
Cool.
Isn't that neat?
All right. Now we don't have power on this one, but I think we don't really need it.
This one is so bright and airy and open. We didn't even hook up lights in here. Give you a quick glance around. Again, this one's going to be one of those sweet little compact units that's just hook it up and go.
Yeah.
Now this has got a north-south bed. Now this is a Camp Queen, and because of the framing, I don't think you could put a regular queen in here because there's not going to be anything to support the end of the mattress.
Yeah.
Now if you're really handy and can do your own little modifications, you can just knock yourself out.
And I like it because it's all open under there.
It is all open, so you can put totes, you can build something under there. They kind of left that to whatever you want to do. Now Jayco, again, love that they do this to their hanging. They give you the bar and that shelf. The shelf will come out if you don't need it. Storage across the top, and then you have these really cool little nightstands with some hidden storage in there. And they are going to give you power and USB on both sides. TV is going to be right up there. So this looks like a 32-inch they already have up here. It's going to come around and swivel and turn whichever way you need it to.
Yeah. Well,
it's locked.
There it is.
Yeah.
There. Now we're going. We're cooking with Crisco now.
How many people does it take to figure out a TV?
Well,
your controls and everything are going to be right as you come in the door.
As many units that we look at, yes.
Well, yeah, because everything's different. All right, coming right down here on the kitchen side, you have got your storage and microwave up top. Nice little sink with a high-rise faucet.
Oh, wow.
You are going to have a 2-burner cooktop on this one. Again, and no oven in these smaller units. That's just sort of to be expected. 3 really nice sized drawers, some great storage underneath your sink. And it is going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge, and I'm just looking at you. There you are.
Sorry. I'm just over here.
While you're looking around.
I'm just still looking around at this thing.
Fridge on top, freezer on the bottom. Jayco does not put vents in the floor, so they're under the cabinetry there. This is going to have a single AC unit, and it's going to be a dump unit. This one is not ducted because it's just a small unit. You just don't need it. You've got some storage over here in your slide, and this is going to jackknife. So if you have kids or short friends like me, I can sleep right there.
Yep.
Now Jayco being Jayco again, give you drawers underneath. You know, sometimes this just pops down and you have totes under there, but Jayco gives you actual drawers. How cool. And of course they give you these wonderful tables that just slip down in the cup holders so you can take them out as you need them. Again, what we showed you on the outside, this is a small slide, but it's just enough to give you some extra room in here because, I mean, this is some great floor space in here.
Roller shades.
Yes, roller blackout shades. Love that.
And designed by Stacy Stewart.
Stacy Stewart. I don't know Stacy Stewart,
I don't
but
either.
she did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Right here's going to be your pantry, or you could use this part of your laundry if you needed to. Shelves will move as you need them. Another bathroom.
Yeah, got a little pocket door.
Okay, now I'm just going to have to tell you guys, the shower is not that bad. I mean, Jerry's 6 feet tall. There's a skylight, so the shower's not that. Now, it's a little small. It's a small unit.
24 by 32.
Yeah. But now this toilet placement is a little bit questionable. I'm going to be honest. I'm only 5'2", and even I had an issue with legroom. So, hey, if you're just one person, you can leave the door open, but that's a little bit gross. Anyway, moving along. Let me get in here and show you. I'm going to step up into the shower. You have a really nice medicine cabinet. Now that's super nice there.
With mirrors on
and it has mirrors. And you actually have really good space around the sink. So that is impressive. Nice storage underneath, your tissue holders already. And then you've got a plug in so you can charge your phone while you're on the throne.
Yes.
But
yes.
Now let me show you that again. That's just not a whole lot of leg room. And it's plastic. So obviously no golden plunger on this one. But again, it beats going to the bathhouse. So,
hey, I think it checks a lot of boxes. I'm just going to tell you now.
It really does.
All right, everybody. If you like this little Jayco Jay Feather Air, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.